Okay, this is math 2. We're doing 18 and 20 in this one only. And I'm not doing all of 18 because you should be able to figure out B, C, and D on your own. The only one I wanted to set you up with was part A, which basically you can decide how you want to solve this. I usually just do the old-fashioned term called cross multiplying. So I do x times 7.5 equals 3.2 times x squared. And then from here, you need to solve. So that'll give you, I'm going to move this one over to the other side. And then you have 0 equals 3.2x squared. Minus 7.5x. There you go. And then, sorry, from here you have to actually, well, it's plus 0 technically on the end. So my advice would just be to use the quadratic formula for this. So you have a, well, it shouldn't be too hard to solve. You don't have the quadratic formula. Just factor. Does 7.5 go to 3.2 at all? I don't even know. 7.5 divided by 3.2. No, it does not. Okay, so this would look like, you don't even need to do that. So you had, this would look like, take out an x. You have 3.2 x minus 7.5. Oh yeah, this should be fine. And then you get, let's see, x equals 0. And 3.2x minus 7.5 equals 0. Okay, well that just equals 0. That's really not going to be helpful for you. But this one you can actually solve. So 3.2x equals 7.5. And then you get divided by 3.2, which I got a really gnarly answer of 2.34, let's say 4. There you go. Okay, I hope that wasn't too boring. You can still get the same answer if you do the quadratic formula, but you need to remember that there's a plus 0 right here. So that would be your C. Your A would be, if you wanted to do quadratic formula, your A would be 3.2. Your B would negative 7.5, and your C would be 0, because technically you don't have a C term in there. Okay, that was 18. That was only part A. The others, hopefully you should be able to handle. And then number 20, Marty and Jerry are playing Pick a Tile, a game in which the player reaches into 2 bags. One bag contains square tiles. The other circular tiles. The bag with squares contains 3 yellow, 3 blue, 1 blue, 2 orange. The bag with the circles has 1 yellow and 2 red. In order to win the game and unlock a stuffed animal, you must choose 1 blue square and 1 red circle. 1 blue square is what we want, and 1 red circle. Okay, so let's see. Let's see, from the squares, 3 plus 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Okay, so we have out of 6 for each of these, for the squares. 3 of the yellow, 1 for the blue, and 2 for the red. Oh, I did that backwards. 2 for the red, 1 for the blue. Okay. The bag with circle has 1 yellow and 2 red. So that's, what, 3? So this is out of 3. This is out of 3. So 1 yellow and 2 red. In order to win the game, the player must choose 1 blue square. So blue. Well, that's funny. 1 blue square. Are they saying this is independent? Okay, I don't know what they're doing over here. I know this is 1/3. This is going to be 2/6, and this is 1/6. Okay, well, I don't know how that's going to help. Okay, well, whatever. I'm assuming these are independent, so I'm assuming we can multiply. I really should say they're independent. One blue square and one red circle. So that's basically 1/6 times 2/3, which gives us, what does that give us? 2 out of 18. Sorry if you can't see very well. 2 out of 18. So that's, well, basically 1 out of 9. So what is the probability of that? I'm going to divide by 9. 11%. So that's about 11% over here. One blue, one red. Okay. All right. What is the probability that a player choosing the winning blue-red combination? Well, basically 1/6 times 2/3. So that gives us 2 out of 18, which basically runs up to 11%. Okay. That works out. Okay, so when Jerry squeals with the light because she thinks she sees something blue, when Marty pulls her hand out of the bag, the question is, if something is blue, so we know it's blue, what is the probability that Marty won a stuffed animal? Okay, well, this is going to change our demographics. This is a probability of winning given something blue. Okay, just the probability of winning given something blue. So something blue is 1 out of 6 chance of happening. That is everyone who's blue over here. Okay, so 1 out of 6. And the probability of winning is 1 out of 9. Just winning something blue, or 11%. So 0.11. Better known as, well, 1 out of 9. Okay, so you have probabilities given something blue. You know that they got a blue, so you don't care about the yellow or red. So out of everyone who has a blue, which is technically 1 out of 6, only these people from the blues, or only this box right here, is going to actually help you win. So 1 out of 9 divided by 1 out of 6. Okay, well, 1 out of 9 divided by 1 out of 6. So 1 out of 6 is 0.1667, and 1 divided by 9, or 2 out of 18, same thing, is 0.1111. If you divide that, you should get something close to about 0.6665. Okay, so I'm going to round that into 66.6%, or 66.7%, sorry. There you go. So the probability of actually winning, given that you know something might be blue, okay, is about 66.7%. Alrighty, so that's it for this section. See you in the next video.